Hello and welcome everybody. Thank you for coming back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you some of the products that I got that I'm just really excited to use. So a little bit about me. I am a new mom. I have a 3-month-old and I am suffering from some postpartum hair loss, breakage, dry. What else? My hair is dry and it's dry. Okay, and memory loss, like I feel like I can't even remember what I was about to say just now. But my hair is also heat damaged. That's what I was gonna say. I have some heat damage towards the front parts of my hair. You can see right here. And then I have some postpartum hair loss. You can see my forehead just getting real thin. And yeah, but don't look at my hair, y'all, because I need to wash my hair bad. Hence why I bought all these products. So without further ado, let's hop straight into the video. So the first product is not really like a hair product, but it's something that you can use on your hair. So the first thing I got, I already took it out of the box, is the continuous spray bottle. And I think this brand is Kitsch. It is from Ulta and it was only $9.99. I already put water in it because I used it this morning. And I'll test it out real quick. It's like a long spray, and I saw this morning if you spray it for like a long time, it'll have like at least a 5-second spray of just like wetting your hair. So this is really good for if you're doing like wash and goes or twist outs and you just need to keep your hair a little bit moisturized so the product sticks. So that is product number one. Our next product is going to be the B-Girl setting foam. So a lot of people have been using setting foam instead of gel for their wash and go. So I got this because I am just curious to see how it turns out. So this is the B-Girl collection Crazy Sexy Curl. It is a supercharged honey all-in-one setting foam, and it has honey, aloe vera, bamboo, and vitamin B and E silk acid inside of it. It's also good for styling, conditioning, detangling, defining, and setting wash and goes, twist outs, and braids. So I'm super excited to use this. And this was from, I want to say Walmart, and it was $12.98. So the next product is one that I'm really excited about because, y'all, I am literally, since I've had like natural hair, I have only used Eco Styler gel. However, I don't know if I have I don't know if I got the wrong bottle or what, but when I tell you the last time I did my wash and go and I used Eco Styler gel, the green one, my hair was so flaky. Like if I wore something black, it was all over my hair. So I'm really excited to try this Xtreme gel. It has no alcohol in it, no residue, and it's with aloe vera. And I'm really excited to use this. This jar is big, like it's heavy too. And this is only $4.49 from Walmart. So if you want to try this out, this is very cheap. I'm all about getting stuff, you know, on the low. But I'm really excited about this, and I can't wait to use it for my next wash and go. And I'm hoping that it does a little bit better than the Eco Styler gel, and that I don't have so many like flakes in my hair. So really excited to use that. That is the Xtreme Pro Expert Real 24-hour Hold Gel. Our next product is probably going to be one of my most exciting products, and this is the Curlsmith Multitasking Conditioner. I have literally looked all over YouTube and everybody has been using this Curlsmith. So I'm a little nervous because the bottle is so small. I haven't opened it yet, so this is how it looks when you open it. It's got this little cover on it. And I'm like really heavy-handed. Ooh, it smells good though. It's like, I feel like it's thick because it's not like moving. Yeah, okay. I'm really heavy-handed with conditioner. Like I will straight up use the whole bottle of conditioner. But this was not cheap. This little bitty baby bottle was $25. $25 from Ulta. And like it was one of the last ones. So like people was buying this left and right. It smells really good. I don't know. I don't know, it smells like clean with like a little tiny bit of fragrance. And I heard that they were really known for like their ingredients, like they're really scientific and stuff. So I'm really excited to use this. This is the multitasking conditioner 3-in-1 for damaged hair, which is what I need because I have damaged hair towards the front. And I guess you can use this in many different ways. It says, as a conditioner, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes and rinse out. Instantly detangle, smooth, and revive your hair. As a deep conditioner, you can use it for 15 to 30 minutes, and then obviously do the same thing. And you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner on freshly washed hair. So that's pretty cool. $25 for a conditioner, deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. We will see if it is worth it when I wash my hair. So, Curlsmith multitasking conditioner. The next product that I got is SheaMoisture. Now I know people be talking about Cantu and SheaMoisture, but I'm gonna use SheaMoisture, okay? So this shampoo is good, and I have actually used this before, and it does what it says it does, is intense hydrating shampoo. So all of my products that I'm getting is like hydration, honey, anything to bring like hydration back into my hair, because I've noticed after I have my baby, my hair is very dry and brittle, and I don't know if it's just hormones or what leaving my body, but I need some moisture back into my hair. So this is for, it hydrates and replenishes extra dry damaged hair. My hair is extra dry and damaged. Okay, it's not as much damage as it is dry, so it's more dry than damage, but this shampoo is really good and you don't need a lot. The key thing is honey. Honey is going to be really good for me. This is from Target and this was $12.99. This is the SheaMoisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Conditioner Hair Mask, and it is with sea kelp and argan oil. So I'm really excited about this. And it has raw shea butter, sea kelp, and argan oil as some of the ingredients. And so what you do with this is you literally just put some of it on your hair after you have washed your hair, and you can put it under heat, or put like I just put like a trash bag over my head and just let it sit with my hair twisted inside of it and let it sit for a while. It doesn't really, I have to smell. It doesn't really have like a strong smell to it, but I can definitely smell this SheaMoisture. So it has like a pretty thick consistency. Last product, this is Curl La La from Aunt Jackie's. Y'all, Aunt Jackie must be so dang on popular, because I could not find Aunt Jackie nowhere. This is the only thing I could find of Aunt Jackie somewhere. So Aunt Jackie, I need you to get some more products in Target or in Ulta or wherever you sell your stuff at, because everybody is buying Aunt Jackie's. So I was trying to find something else, but this is literally the only thing that they have. So I was like, well, I'm just gonna get it. So this is the Curl La La Defining Curl Custard. I pretty much like just use gel for like my seal and my styler, but this is gonna be like a different type of styler, like a cream styler, and I have not opened this, so I'm really excited to open it. It says, say goodbye to frizz, unruly curls, and lifeless coils. Yes, because my hair is always frizzy. Define, shape, and control curls, waves, coils, and braid outs, while adding moisture, shine, and natural conditioning. So I am really excited about this, y'all, because my hair be frizzy. Now let's open it up. It's purple. I feel like it's thick. Hold on, let's see. Ooh, that is thick. It's thick. It smells like, okay. It kind of smells like one of those things like at your grandma's house that she, like, I don't know, you gotta be like a little bit older to remember it, but it's like one of them things they pop up on the toilet and it's like, okay, I'm showing my age right now, but anyways, it smells a little baby just woke up, so I had to handle that. But back to Aunt Jackie's Curl La La. So it smells good, and I'm really excited to use this. So that is all of my products that I just ran out and got. And let me see if I can put it all together. Maybe. I don't know. Okay. Ooh! That's not happening. Okay, but if you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button and the like button and whatever else you're supposed to do on oh my gosh, whatever else you're supposed to do on YouTube. Yeah, do that. Okay, boom, there we go, look at that thumbnail. There we go. Oh my gosh. Alright. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe to it. Thanks for watching. Bye.